Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal payments to an Expo app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a PayPal account set up. Open your Expo app project in your code editor. Install the necessary PayPal SDK by running the command npm install at paypal/react paypal.js. Once the installation is complete, open your main app.js file. Import the PayPal script provider and PayPal buttons components at the top of your file. Wrap your main application component within the PayPal script provider. Pass the options prop, which includes your client ID for PayPal. To obtain your client ID, log into your PayPal developer account and create a new app. Copy the client ID from the app setting. Now, inside your component, add the PayPal buttons component where you want the payment button to appear. Configure the Create Order and Unapprove properties within the PayPal buttons component. In the Create Order function, return the order details including the amount and currency. In the Unapprove function, handle payment confirmation by capturing the order. You can use the Fetch API to send the order details to your server for processing. Make sure to manage error handling throughout the payment process. Test the integration by running your Expo app on a simulator or a mobile device. Check the PayPal dashboard to verify transactions and capture data. Once your setup is complete and functioning, you're ready to share your app with users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.